In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a caption to a photo in Google Docs. Whether you're creating a presentation, a report, or just want to add a personal touch to your document, being able to caption an image can add context and clarity to your work. So, let's dive in and explore just how easy this process can be. First, what you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser. Simply type Google Docs into the search bar and hit Enter. This should bring up Google Docs as your top result, and you'll want to click on the link to open the service. Next, you'll be taken to the login page. Here, you should enter your Google account credentials. If you're already logged into your account, you may bypass this step and proceed directly to your Google Docs homepage. Once there, you have the choice to either select an existing document you wish to work on or opt to create a new document. For this demonstration, choose the option that best aligns with your needs. When you're ready, let's move on to uploading your image. To do this, insert your image into the document. You can either drag and drop the image from your computer or use the Insert menu, followed by selecting Image and then Upload from Computer. Once you've inserted your image, you'll want to click on it to select it. This will display a set of text wrapping options just beneath your image, ensuring that you can choose the most suitable format for your document. Look for the Inline option among these choices, which is conveniently the first icon on the left. Clicking Inline ensures that the image is treated as part of the text itself, letting you easily add a caption beneath it without interfering with the overall layout of your document. Now that the image is positioned correctly, place your cursor directly below it. Here is where you'll type out your caption. Feel free to include additional information or commentary about the image that you find pertinent or informative for your document's readers. Once you've typed in your caption, you might want to make it stand out more. That's when the toolbar above becomes quite handy. Highlight your caption and use the toolbar to change the font style, adjust the size, or even alter the color to better fit the aesthetic of your document or to draw specific attention to the caption. And that's it. You've successfully added a caption to your photo in Google Docs. Experiment with different styles to complement your content and deliver a more polished and engaging document. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.